Hello and welcome to the Asawana Farms Education Series. Today we're going to be talking about a very, very powerful plant that you can grow at home. It's called Moringa.
Moringa is a fast-growing tree used for food and medicine across Africa, Asia, and many tropical regions. Almost every part of the plant can be used. The leaves are highly nutritious. The flowers can be eaten. The seed pods are used in cooking. Even the seeds can help purify water. Moringa is often called a superfood, and for good reason. The leaves are packed with important vitamins and minerals including vitamin A for eye health, vitamin C for immune support, calcium for strong bones, iron for healthy blood, and potassium for nerve function. But Moringa offers more than basic nutrition. It also contains antioxidants that help the body fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Because of these compounds, many cultures use Moringa to support immune health, blood sugar balance, digestion, and energy levels. When you grow Moringa, you are essentially growing a living multivitamin tree. At Asawana Farms, we grow Moringa because it fits perfectly with our mission of food as medicine. When people grow their own healing foods, they gain power over their health. If you want to learn how to grow your own Moringa, follow Asawana Farms for more food as medicine education.